Hi guys, so this video has kind of been a long time coming. We've been working on modding Rayman Legends now for since basically the beginning of January. I started on this and picked up several other people along the way that finally got us to this point. But just making this video to both show how to install it as well as some of the cool things that you're able to do with this mod. So let's dive right in. Before we go any farther, it's probably necessary to say this is a PC mod for the PC version. So if you don't have the PC version, it's not going to work. If you want to get the PC version, just wait for it to go on sale for like 10 bucks on Steam or somewhere else. But yeah, you gotta have the PC version for this to work. First things first, download the challenge manager using the link in the description, and when you extract the files, this is what's in there. It's really simple. Read me if you want to, and then the challenge manager. So launch that. Now that you are running the challenge manager, the next thing you'll need to do is enable the training room. And hopefully it's just a simple process like that. If you have it installed on an external hard drive, you may have to locate where the actual game file is. And if you're having any issues with this, it'll just be easiest for me to say just comment on the video, and hopefully myself or Loris will be able to walk you through the steps you need to do to actually get the training room up and running. Alright, now that you have the training room installed, go ahead and launch the game, and this is where we get to actually start to mess around. Once you have the training room installed, go ahead and launch the game. Once you're in here, just go over here, and where you have the challenge painting, it's now been replaced with the training room. We've disabled the challenge room while the training room mod's installed, just so that you can't actually go into the normal challenges and use the mod, the seed manager at least. But once you're in here, you'll see a painting for every challenge theme. Unfortunately, in Murphy's Dungeon, we still can't get this painting to work, so we've just left it gray for now, and then that never really did anything. But you'll still be able to play these first four. And then, yeah, you just jump into the painting, and you can pick the rule set. So it starts off daily normal, daily extreme, that's your distances, your lums, and then your speeds. And then the next set's your weekly normal, weekly extreme, distance, lums, and speeds. The menus are a bit wonky. We didn't actually do anything to make them work. This was all largely in the game already, so it was just patching everything together so that it would work. But once you have it to here, you just pick the challenge type you want, and then this is where the challenge manager actually starts to be able to actually do anything. Now that we're actually in a training room challenge, we're able to use the challenge mod. So the first thing you can do, load challenge. That will actually work in the daily and weekly challenges, but it's the only thing in this challenge manager that will work when you do not have the training room installed. This process might take a few seconds. It's just searching through the RAM to pull out all the information about the challenge you're in. But there we have it. So I entered a Land of the Living Dead, get there quickly, daily normal challenge, 250 meters. This is the seed, so challenges are generated using a seed, and so if you copy this down, you're able to recall this specific challenge whenever you want. The score limit, so most speed challenges have 3-minute limits. You can usually just leave this, but if you're increasing the goal, it's not always a bad idea to increase the score limit, especially lums challenges. If you're doing like a 500 lum challenge, it's gonna take a while, so if you're into that, increase the limit. Using the challenge manager is going to be quite simple. If you want to change the goal, simply just type in what you want, hit apply changes. If you want to change the seed, same thing. You can even generate a new seed, apply changes, and it'll do it automatically. So here we are in our training room challenge starts off like this. So now we have our new seed, and it's only 50 meters, and it's completely different. The other thing we're able to do with this is there's a save rules, so click that and the whole save window comes up. Click OK. When you click open rules, it'll bring you to this menu with all your saved rule sets. It'll essentially load it up for you. Of course, you have to be in the proper challenge type, but it'll load up your seed, your goal, and your score limit automatically. Alright, once you're done with the training room, if you want to go back to the regular challenges, then just unclick this enable training room button. It'll automatically uninstall and you'll be good to go. That's really all there is to say about the challenge manager itself. Again, we have that seed list of all the challenges since April, and we've tried to link a lot of the videos that people have uploaded to YouTube for them. So feel free to scroll through that, find some challenges to play, or of course you can just hit the randomize, find some good ones on your own. But yeah, so here we are. Long time coming, but quite pleased with how this turned out, so I hope you all enjoy.